got the Astaroth finished. Pretty smooth build. Like, I don't know much about the kit itself because it's from, not the kit, but the frame itself, because it's from the manga, which I've been unable to get a hold of in English, you feel me? So it's a lot of frames that I'm missing out on as far as knowledge wise, but it's a cool looking kit, man. It's got like a kind of kit bash look, but it's supposed to, on account of in the manga it's been retrofitted with parts from another mobile suit. I forget the name of it, but you know, cool looking suit. It wasn't really anything like super annoying about putting it together, except for like the stickers on the feet. You see the black part on the toes and up toward the ankle, like right here. Those stickers too, that sticker and that sticker. They're not annoying, they just look kind of like out of place. And this is a sticker, and up here these stickers. But that's pretty much it as far as sticker wise. It wasn't many of them. This was all the stickers it came with. Not many. And it's like a sticker right here, but you can't really notice that one. But I like the kit, man. It's look pretty cool. It's another version of this suit, which I'm gonna probably get and work on next. But yeah, shout out to the boy Gunner Fan again for sending me this cool kit, man. Nice, smooth build. It was on like 3 hours worth of building in total. And he has the, I don't know what, well, I can always just repost them, but this little, it's like a brass knuckle type over the fist type of gauntlet for punching, I'm guessing. And then the sword is held long, like it folds out, like it's footages in the video of it unfolded, but this is how I'm gonna pose it. He also came with like a little combat knife, which you don't have to be, but I didn't bother popping it out and running because I wasn't gonna use it. I don't know if it's like a carbine or SMG assault rifle type thing, but cool. But yeah, man, smooth kit, man, smooth kit. Glad to add it to the Iron Blooded collection, and looking forward to adding more. Get some angles, you feel me? Angles. Yeah, but yeah, I'll catch y'all in the next one, man. We out.